Hello, my friends. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. As many friends asking too much questions about easy strategies. So today, very simple strategy: trade without indicators. Yes, trade without indicators and make profit. You just need to switch your chart and watch live, and you will make more and more money. Yes, that's true. But you have to follow my all step with my instruction. So for this you need watch my video till end, cause I explain all things in my video. So let's get started and let me share this strategy and the secret thing with you. So as all guys looking that my candlestick chart is open, and now I'm going to show you the secret thing. Great. So secret is this. Today I'm going to show you W and M chart pattern. W and M chart pattern. Okay. Remember, okay, always remember W, it's mean buy. Once you draw on chart W, it's mean buy trade, buy signal. Okay, and once you draw M, remember, once you draw M, it's means sell signal, sell trade. Okay, so let's start. What is W and M pattern and how it's work? Look here, already one is opened. So let me draw this. First of all, I will highlight this area and show you the real thing. Okay. First of all, I will pick this trend line and I will try to draw this. Okay. And show you the W and M how it's work. Look guys, this W, very awesome and very clear W. Okay, as you all guys looking, this W is, as I told in start, W always for buy signal, buy trade. Okay, once you see W chart pattern, always buy. And look here, after this signal, market move in buy. Look here, that uptrend, and how much pips you make without any indicator, without any strategy. Look here, how much profit. So here is the basic point. Once you see a W pattern, okay, you have to start trade from this point. Start trade from this point and take position the second leg middle point. That second leg middle point. Second leg middle point is for trade, and your take profit will be the previous leg same point, and your SL will be at start point of this leg. So this one your SL, your trade, your take profit. Okay, and look W very clear, and the buy signal, as I told you, W always for buy and M always for sell. And how many pips? Without indicator, without any strategy. Okay, let's talk about M. Look here. Let me highlight the area so you will understand more well. Look this M. Let me draw this M. Okay, watch how I am doing. Okay, now once again we find this M and we have to place our trade from this point. As I told in, look here. Our trade will be start from this neckline. This point is neckline. Okay, will be placed trade from this point. Okay, and our SL will be here, the start of this leg. Okay, and our take profit will be same as the previous leg measurement. Okay, so look, this previous leg start point, and this will be our take profit, and our entry point, this one is our entry point, and our stop loss here, SL, position and take profit. And look how much pips we gain with this M signal. Very awesome and very beautiful strategy without indicator, no need of indicators. Okay, one more thing. Let me draw this one also. Let me highlight the area, you will understand what I am doing. Okay, look here. Very awesome W. Market start making W, and we also seen this, and same again, repeat our SL, our position, and our take profit, and look, after this W, after our position, how much pips. So this is the funda of W and M. Very simple thing if you understand, and if you learn the draw, you will understand all things. Very, very profitable and very easy strategy. Okay, make more money and you will. Look here, trade with confidence. Look, M and W always help you. W for buy and always M for sell, W for buy. Okay, look, if you focus on things, you will understand. Look here, this one, and look this one, and that second leg here, and look how much pips in this M. M and W is very awesome thing. I thought I will share my group guys Okay, and look also with this once that W trade, M trade hour, look here, W started, and let me draw this, look how much pips. I hope all guys understand, and you all guys will make more and more profit. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, feel free ask me. I will help you, and kindly try to understand, watch my all videos and find helpful strategies so you will be understand all things and all my points, and kindly watch all video till end. You will understand all things cause I explain all points, cause I know many beginner traders here my followers, so they need more explanation to understand very well. So for that reason I always try to cover all points. Thanks for watching. Take care. Wish you a bright future of trading.